Hey everyone, welcome back to Real English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael. How's everyone doing today?
So, if you're new here, welcome. Real English is all about learning English through natural conversations. We talk about interesting topics, just like friends would.
Exactly. No textbooks, no boring lectures, just real English.
So today, we're doing something a little different. We're going to talk about a country that's become super popular around the world lately.
Ooh, which one?
South Korea.
Oh, I love this topic. K-pop, K-dramas, Korean food, there's so much to talk about.
Right? It's amazing how Korean culture has spread globally. Before we dive in, let's take a look at some key vocabulary we'll be using today. Check your screen right now. Got all that? Perfect.
All right, so Emma, when did you first become interested in South Korea?
I think it was maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I started watching a Korean drama on Netflix, and I was just hooked.
Which one?
It was called Crash Landing on You. Have you seen it?
Oh yeah, that one's amazing. It's about a South Korean woman who accidentally paraglides into North Korea, right?
Exactly. And she meets this North Korean soldier. It sounds crazy, but it's so good.
Korean dramas are really well made. The production quality is incredible.
Totally. And what I love is that they're usually just one season, like 16 episodes, and the story is complete.
Right, unlike some American shows that go on forever.
Exactly. So, Michael, have you been to South Korea?
Actually, yes. I went to Seoul about 2 years ago. It was incredible.
Oh, I'm so jealous. What was your favorite part?
That's hard to say. I loved the food, obviously. Korean barbecue is amazing when you have it in Korea.
Oh, I bet. What else did you try?
So many things. So bibimbap, which is like a rice bowl with vegetables and meat. Kimchi, of course, which is fermented cabbage.
Is it spicy?
It can be. It depends on how it's made. But most Korean food has at least a little spice to it.
Interesting. What about the city itself? What's Seoul like?
Oh man, Seoul is... it's this amazing mix of old and new. You'll see these beautiful ancient palaces right next to super modern skyscrapers.
Wow. Like traditional and modern existing together?
Exactly. There's this neighborhood called Bukchon Hanok Village where you can see traditional Korean houses called hanoks, but then you walk 10 minutes and you're in this super futuristic shopping district.
That sounds amazing. And I've heard the public transportation in Seoul is really good.
Oh, it's fantastic. The subway system is so clean, efficient, and easy to use. And everything is in English too, so it's very foreigner-friendly.
That's great. Smiles. I feel like that's not always the case in big cities.
Right. Nods. And people were generally really helpful, even if they didn't speak much English.
Curious. What about the technology? I've heard South Korea is super advanced.
Oh my gosh, yes. Like the internet speed is insanely fast. And everything is so digital. You can pay for almost anything with your phone.
Really?
Yeah. They have this thing called Kakao Talk, which is like their version of WhatsApp, but you can do everything on it. Order food, call a taxi, send money.
Wow. Impressive.
It really is. Oh, and speaking of convenience, the convenience stores there are on another level.
What do you mean?
So there are convenience stores like 7-Eleven and GS25 on literally every corner. But they're not like the ones here. They have actual hot meals, snacks, you can pay bills there,
That's wild.
and they're open 24/7. I remember going at like 2 a.m. to get ramen and the store was still pretty busy.
Korean instant ramen is supposed to be really good, right?
Oh, it's the best. So much better than the instant noodles we have here. They take their ramen seriously.
I love that. Now, let's talk about K-pop for a second, because it's absolutely everywhere now.
Oh, yeah, you can't escape it.
Smiles. I mean, I'm not complaining. Do you listen to K-pop?
A little bit. I know some of the big groups like BTS and Blackpink.
BTS is huge. They were the first K-pop group to really break into the American market in a big way.
Right, and now K-pop is just global. Groups are singing in Korean, but they have fans all over the world.
It's interesting, isn't it? Like the language barrier doesn't seem to matter.
Exactly. The music, the choreography, the visuals, it all comes together.
And the production is incredible. The music videos are like mini movies.
Oh, totally. They spend so much money and effort on them. Everything is so polished and perfect.
And the fans. K-pop fans are so dedicated.
They really are. They're very passionate about supporting their favorite groups.
Smiles. So, what about Korean beauty products? I've heard K-beauty is huge now, too.
Oh, yeah. Korean skincare is really popular. I think it's because they focus a lot on taking care of your skin, not just covering problems with makeup.
Right. So, I've heard they have like 10-step skincare routines.
Some people do. It sounds like a lot, but it's all about prevention and keeping your skin healthy.
That makes sense. And Korean sheet masks are everywhere now.
Yeah, when I was in Seoul, I saw so many cosmetic stores, like entire stores just dedicated to skincare and beauty products.
Wow, it must be really important in the culture.
It is, but not in a superficial way. It's more about self-care and taking care of yourself.
I like that perspective. Smiles. Okay, let's talk about something else. Thinking. Korean education. I've heard it's very competitive.
Oh, it's intense. Students study a lot, like a lot. School days are long, and then many students go to private academies called hagwons after school.
Really? So they have school and then more school?
Pretty much. Education is taken very seriously there. There's a lot of pressure to get into a good university.
That sounds stressful.
That sounds stressful.
It can be, but at the same time, it's created a very educated and skilled workforce. South Korea has grown so much economically in just a few decades.
Right. They went from being a developing country to a major economic power really quickly.
Exactly. It's called the Miracle on the Han River. The Han River runs through Seoul.
Impressed. That's amazing. What are some big Korean companies that people might know?
Oh, there are so many. Samsung, which makes phones and electronics, LG, Hyundai for cars.
Those are huge global brands.
Right. And then there's Korean entertainment companies like HYBE and SM Entertainment that manage K-pop groups.
It's interesting how entertainment has become such a big export for them.
Totally. Korean culture is now a major part of their economy. They call it the Korean Wave, or Hallyu.
Oh, I love that. It really does feel like a wave spreading across the world.
Yeah, and it's not slowing down. Korean culture just keeps getting more popular.
So true. What about Korean festivals or holidays? Are there any interesting ones?
Oh, yeah. There's Chuseok, which is like Korean Thanksgiving. Families get together, eat traditional food, and honor their ancestors.
That sounds beautiful. What do they eat?
There's this rice cake called sungpyeon, and lots of traditional dishes. It's a really big deal, like one of the most important holidays.
I love how they maintain those traditions. What about Lunar New Year?
Yes, Solal. That's another major holiday. Kids wear traditional Korean clothing called hanbok, and they do this special bow to elders to receive money.
That's cute. So they still wear traditional clothing for special occasions?
Absolutely. You'll see people wearing hanbok at palaces, festivals, and special celebrations. It's really colorful and beautiful.
I'd love to see that someday. Okay, last question. What would you say to someone who's thinking about visiting South Korea?
Enthusiastic, go, definitely go. It's an amazing country with so much to offer. The food is incredible, the people are friendly, the culture is fascinating.
It sounds wonderful.
It really is. And you don't need to speak Korean to enjoy it. Lots of signs are in English and people are helpful.
That's good to know. What about safety? Is it a safe country?
Very safe. I felt comfortable walking around Seoul at any time of day or night. The crime rate is very low.
Impressed. That's great. All right, I think I need to start planning a trip.
You should. And when you go, make sure to try all the street food.
I definitely will. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about South Korea with us today.
It's such a cool country with so much culture and history and so much delicious food.
Yes. If you enjoyed this conversation and want to keep learning English with us,
Make sure to subscribe to Real English. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
we post new episodes every week with fun topics and natural conversations to help you improve your English.
And let us know in the comments, have you been to South Korea or would you like to visit?
We'd love to hear from you.
All right, everyone, thanks for listening.
Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Happy learning.